Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Mother's Day card available in the market right now, the Hallmark Signature Mother's Day card. This isn't just any greeting card, it's a testament to style and sentimentality. The Hallmark Signature series is known for its upscale designs, and this card lives up to that reputation. It features intricate paper craft flowers with a touch of glitter, all set against a textured background. The cover is not just visually stunning, it's backed by a heartfelt message that reads, "Wishing a beautiful day to someone who's beautiful inside and out." The card measures 5 by 7.2 and comes with a high-quality envelope. Printed on premium paper stock sourced from well-managed forests, it's an eco-friendly choice. Perfect for celebrating moms, stepmoms, and anyone who plays a nurturing role in your life. Unlike ordinary cards, this one makes a lasting impression. It's not just a card. It's a keepsake that embodies appreciation and love. Ideal for pairing with a Mother's Day gift or presenting on its own. Suitable for all maternal figures, from moms to grandmas and beyond. Whether you're celebrating Mother's Day, a birthday, or simply want to express gratitude, the Hallmark Signature Mother's Day card is a standout choice that combines elegance with heartfelt sentiment. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this beautiful card and make this Mother's Day truly special.